This is my ECE 5000 final design demonstration for the refrigeration monitoring device. So the device I've built will allow you to monitor the temperature inside your fridge as well as the state of the door, and it will send a message via Bluetooth if the temperature has risen over 4 degrees or if the door has been open for longer than 3 minutes, alerting the user so that you can go and fix the issues with your fridge so that your food will never spoil again. So inside my design, I have the Arduino Uno that will be controlling all of the logic within. Then I have a Bluetooth module here that will be used to send the signals to your phone. And then here's the breadboard that shows all the connections. And then I can put the lid on the box. The temperature will get sensed through this temperature sensor right here. This can sit anywhere in your fridge, and it is waterproof, so it doesn't matter if you spill anything on it. And these cables here lead to 1/2 of the door sensor. This will be fixed right inside on the base of your fridge. And then this will get fixed, this moving part will get fixed onto your door so that every time the door is closed, the contacts will go together, sending a signal to the Arduino saying that the door is closed. And if it's open, it'll know when it's open. So next I'll go over the code that this runs with, and then I'll put this in my fridge for testing. This is the code on how my temperature sensor operates. First, I have all of the ports labeled here, and they're assigned to their corresponding ports. Then here, I set my temperature threshold, which is 4 degrees, and then my door time limit, which is 3 minutes, 180,000 in milliseconds. The temperature checker intervals, which is 1 second, and the error pause time, which is 30 seconds. So once an error occurs, it'll take 30 seconds for the temperature checking to reoccur. Then here is the door sensor logic. And then down here is the temperature error logic. To connect the device to your phone, you're going to first want to plug in your device to power. This will turn on the Bluetooth chip inside. Then on your phone, go over to the Play Store and search up the Serial Bluetooth Terminal app. And then this is the one that you're going to want to use. Just install it and then open it up. And then you're going to go over to here, click Devices, and there you'll see the HCL5 chip. This will be the device that the fridge monitoring device runs on. Just click it and it'll be connecting there, and you'll get a message showing that it's connected, and then your device is ready to use. This is my assembled design inside my fridge for testing. So the device is sitting right here, and the power is going in through this port, and it's connected to a power bank. This doesn't need to be a power bank, it could be any 5-volt power source. And these leads here are going up to the first door sensor. This will sit stationary here, and then the other one is attached here. And as the fridge door closes, the door contact is triggered, resulting in a closed door for the Arduino. And then the temperature sensor is just sitting here. This can really go anywhere, but I just thought this was the best spot because it's right next to the refrigeration unit. Now I will be testing the functionality of the door sensor. So I have a stopwatch here that will show how long the door has been open. The error message should occur at 3 minutes. And then here's my terminal here. So I'm gonna go over and open the door. So then now I'll start the timer. And now I'll just let that go. As you can see there, the door has been open for longer than 3 minutes, and it is around at the 3-minute mark. So now I'm gonna close the fridge door and reset the timer. And to show that the closing of the door will actually reset the timer, I'm just gonna open the door here and start the timer now. And I'll just wait around 15 seconds. And then I'll close the door and then open it again. So I opened the door at around 20 seconds, so the door sensor timer should go off at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'll just wait until that time hits. As you can see, it just crossed the 3-minute mark without a door sensor error. And now it's just waiting for the 20 seconds delay that I put on it. And they're right on time. The door sensor error occurred, and that shows that the door sensor is working as intended. So now I will test the temperature error messages of the temperature monitoring sensor. So now it is monitoring inside my fridge. I'm gonna open the door and let the temperature rise. As you can see there, the temperature has risen above 4 degrees, so the temperature error occurred. Now I'm going to close the fridge and let the temperature go back down and show that it will trigger another error if the temperature goes high again. So now the temperature sensor should be working again. As you can see there, it senses another temperature rise. So this is a recurring system that will constantly monitor the high temperature errors.